Here's how to make clear background images or PNGs using ChatGPT. Let's go. This right here is a PNG I just made using ChatGPT, and this is extremely easy to do, and that's what I'm going to teach you guys in this video. Now, the first thing you want to do is obviously open a ChatGPT chat. Now, I am pretty sure this only works for Plus members, but if you're not a Plus user, go ahead and try it out and let me know down in the comments if it works for a free account. Now, what you want to do is type in whatever image you want to design. You just have to type it in normally, and at the end of the prompt to create an image, you want to add this text in here. Now, so you guys don't have to write that text every time. I went ahead and put it in an article that you could just copy it from. You come over here and press on that copy button and it will be copied to your clipboard. And I'll leave this article in the description of this video. It'll be the first link down there. And this article also teaches you how to save your PNG into your computer and how to create it in case I go too fast in this video. Anyways, just come over here, copy that prompt and just paste it at the end of your image. Just go ahead and hit right click and paste or Ctrl V to paste it. And then once you got your image prompt and then you got the PNG prompt added in there, just go ahead and send it. Hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to create that image, and as you will see in a second, it will be a PNG. As you can see right here, when ChatGPT is creating that image, it's already making it transparent. Let's go ahead and wait for this to finish, and there we go. It just finished creating the image, and as you can see, if you hover over it, it's a clear background. You guys could save it by clicking download right here, or by clicking on it and then right clicking and hitting save as, and then in there you could actually choose PNG as a save type in case that when you click download in here, it doesn't download it as a PNG, because for some of you it might download it as a web file or maybe a JPEG. So if that happens, just use the other method I just taught you. Anyways guys, that is how to create clear background images or PNGs with ChatGPT. If this video helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys next time.